1997 से हमारा ये बिजनेस है। पहले हम पटना रहते थे, उसके बाद हम सिलवासा आए थे। सिलवासा में मैंने जगह ली और ये पैकेजिंग का बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया। ये पहला बिजनेस मेरा चालू हुआ था यस सिंथेटिक्स के नाम से। उसमें मैं छोटे ड्रम बनाता था। तो वो जब जगह पूरी हो गई, इसमें 2 मशीन से चालू किया, फिर 5 मशीन, फिर अनमोल मोनो के नाम से जगह थी दूसरे की, पूरी किया, उसमें छोटे ड्रम बनाए। फिर बाद में मैंने पिरामिड टेक्नोप्लास्ट के नाम से बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया। उसमें 200 लीटर के ड्रम बनाने शुरू किए। पहले 1 मशीन डाली थी, फिर उसमें 5 मशीन की, फिर यूनिट 2 लिया। यूनिट 2 में मैंने छोटे और बड़े दोनों ड्रम बनाना शुरू किया। फिर उसके बाद में भरूच आया। भरूच में यूनिट 3 चालू हुई, उसमें प्लास्टिक ड्रम चालू किया। उसके बाद यूनिट 4 की जगह बगल की मिली वो लिया, उसमें IBC की एक लाइन चालू। उसके बाद वो जगह कम होने लगी तो यूनिट 5 के लिए बड़ी जगह उससे लिया, तो IBC के बाद 2 लाइन ली। और यूनिट 4 जो चालू किया था IBC, उसमें मैंने फिर प्लास्टिक ड्रम चालू कर दिया। और यूनिट 6 है आपने, जो उसमें मेटल ड्रम चालू किया, और मेटल ड्रम बनाता हूँ। और IBC का दूसरा एक यूनिट अभी नया, जब छोटे हुई अपनी सेकेंडरी सिटी बढ़ी तो 7th एक यूनिट और अभी चालू हुई है। इसमें उसमें एक लाइन है। अभी IBC की अपने पास 4 लाइन है। यूनिट 5 में 3 लाइन है और 7th में 1 लाइन। मेटल ड्रम की कैपेसिटी 25 से 30,000 ड्रम महीने की बनाने की है। और प्लास्टिक ड्रम हमारे पास 4 यूनिट है। यूनिट 1, 2, 5 और 4, उसमें प्लास्टिक ड्रम बनाते हैं। छोटे ड्रम हम जो 50 लीटर, 20 लीटर, 100 लीटर बनाने आज रेडीमेड करीब महीने का 2 लाख ड्रम, 200 लीटर के जो ड्रम है 1,80,000 से 2 लाख ड्रम पर मंथ बना। IBC की कैपेसिटी अपनी 30,000 पर मंथ बनाने की। MS ड्रम की 25 से 30,000 ड्रम पर मंथ बनाने की। जो भी काम अपना हुआ है गुजरात में ही ज़्यादा हुआ है। गुजरात में सक्सेस हुआ है। उसमें यूनिट होने से दहेज है और साइका है, वो इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट है, केमिकल है, और सेल अच्छी है। IBC पूरे हिंदुस्तान में अपनी जाती है।
Thanks for coming, being a Saturday. Please, thank you. So now, Pyramid Technoplast is a total solution provider for a bulk packaging industry. So we have been in the industry for manufacturing polymer drums, then 1,000 liter IBC, that is a 1,000 liter packing containers, and then MS drums. So we are there in all the 3 bulk packaging category, where we have been satisfying and fulfilling all customers' demands and requirements. So as you can see, we have 6 strategically located manufacturing units. 7th is just started. So 2 is in Silvassa and 5 is in Bharuch. So we have been manufacturing containers in all the shapes, sizes, capacity to serve all the industry which is there for bulk liquid packaging and semi-liquid packaging and solid packaging, which have been using in specialty chemicals, pharma, food, beverages, petrochemicals, etc. So this is just key facts we have been focusing on. So we have 6 manufacturing location and 7 is just started with extension of an IBC plant. We have a Pan India presence. So Pan India means we have been serving customers all over India. We have a customer in Gujarat, we have customers in South, we have customers in North, we have customers in all the Pan India locations. We have that means a total strength of 400 plus customers as of date with us, with all the levels of all the verticals of chemical industries. We have our own fleet of transport, wherein we are serving customers just on time delivery and making our efficiency better, and they don't need to depend on some products has not been delivered. So that is what makes us advantage on others. So our team size is around 500 people. They are there since our inception, since 1998. And this is just a number, wherein our production capacity for IBC is, in terms of metric tons, it is around 30,000 metric tons per annum. Polymer drums is around 21,000 and MS drum is around 6,000 metric tons. If you can see, our revenue is growing year on year at the rate of 24%. EBITDA is increasing by 26% and PAT is increasing by 37%. and we have been growing since last 2-3 years at the same rate, and hopefully we are going to grow in future the same rate. This is what we are expecting. Our return on equity for the year 2023 is 30% and ROC is around 29%. And our top line for the year 2023 is 480 crores with PAT margin is 32 crores. So this is the strength. As I said earlier, we have a diverse customer base, as in we are there present in all the verticals of the chemical industry. That is pharma ingredients, food and beverages, petrochemicals. You take the liquid packaging in, we are there. And we have 400 plus customers on board as of date. And we are adding our customers based month-on-month basis. We never say no to any customers. For small customers or big customers, for us everybody is same. Our manufacturing location is located in the hub of chemical industry, that is Silvassa, where we are serving all nearby industries and Maharashtra industries. And Gujarat is, as you know, it's been developing. A lot of companies are coming. A lot of FDI is coming there. So we have been located in Bharuch, which is at the center of all the chemical hubs nearby. Our quality standards. We have been, since our inception, we have been very focused on quality. Every step, every process has been strictly scrutinized in terms of quality. That is how our products are always safe. So that is why, if you can see, we have mentioned strong, safe and superior. So our packaging is strong, it is safe for the customer, and that makes us superior packaging industry. What is our strategies on this? We have been focusing on all the segments what we are catering, that is our MS drum, polymer drums and IBCs. So over the past, so when we started IBC plant, we saw demand coming in as India's chemical exports are growing. Our government is focusing on more on exports. So IBC is a product which is used for exports. So that is what we started growing in that. We kept our capacity increasing so that we should be ready when the demand comes. So that is how we started with 1 line in IBCs. Now we have 4 lines in IBCs. So we are focusing on IBCs, the demand coming in, and we just anticipate and keep tracking on the market which packaging is going to develop. That is how we have been focusing on all the packaging. So at the same time, India's demand for how India's urbanization is happening, the demand for food, beverages, chemicals are increasing. That is why we have been focusing on increasing our capacity year-on-year basis in polymer drums and MS drums also. I'll show you the numbers in some next slides. And explore or grow opportunities. So when our customers come on board,
offer size is around 92.20 lakh shares, aggregating to 153.05 crore rupees. There is a primary issuance of about 55 lakh shares and small OFS component of 37 lakh 20,000 shares. The price band is 151 to 166. The anchor opening date is on 17th August 2023. The issue opens on Friday, that is 18th August 2023, and closes on Tuesday, 22nd August 2023. The dilution is 25%. The promoter group holding post the issue would be still at a substantial 75%. The shares would be listed both on NSE and BSE. I would just like to invite. If you got any queries or any, we will be happy to reply to them.
Jaiprakash, my question is that because your all raw material is crude based raw materials, mainly, so you remain held all the time, or what is your strategy?
Raw material raw material 90% हमारा import है LDP.
आप हेजिंग करते हैं क्रूड के ये बहुत वॉलेटाइल है.
हेजिंग तो नहीं हो सकता ना, क्रूड से रिलेशन जरूर है पॉलीमर में, लेकिन ये जो चैनल है ये जो प्राइस अप डाउन होते हैं वो कभी घटते हैं बढ़ते हैं, पूरे साल में एवरेज वही हो जाता है। हमारा सिस्टम है कस्टमर के साथ, हम उसको पास ऑन हो जाता है।
Currency we have been for
करेंसी हम फॉरेक्स भी रिसीव करते हैं।
that we have been doing it. We have a policy of doing it, and so basically whatever the benefits comes, or so sometimes it increase, sometimes it decrease. So we have a certain formula basically with our customer wherein we pass on the benefit immediately. Either it is increase or either it decrease. So we don't take any risk on us. It is been passed on.
One of the main object of the net position is to repayment of your loans. So what is your debt position just now, and how much interest you will be able to save from this debt payment?
4-4.5 करोड़ का इंटरेस्ट है सर. That will be total से हम पूरा लोन रिपेमेंट करने वाले हैं. So we are going to repay the entire loan. It is around 40-45 crores, and around 4 crores is the interest. That going to save and it will add in the books profit.
And payment your Shyama plant is under construction.
नहीं, 7 प्लान चालू हो गया था, उसमें सब कैपेक्स हो चुके हैं।
Commercial production is only
1 लाख IBC पर मंथ पर ईयर।
Commercial production is already started.
how at what percentage?
It is just started last week only. So we are going to push it. The demand is already there. So we have started already, but in the next 2-3 months we should be able to utilize all the capacity.
Your print and sheet plant is capacity utilization is around 60%.
IBC में 60% ही आउटपुट मिलता है। IBC का जो प्रोडक्शन है उसमें से 60% ही आउटपुट मिल सकता है।
As I explained, it has a 20 plus operations plus 60 plus components. So a lot of processes is being involved. So every stage there is some rejection. So we have been utilizing the capacity, and the 60% is a good enough capacity utilization in this program.
You are using the polypropylene and
We are
polyethylene.
using SDE.
Yeah. So main raw material is crude oil. Now the pricing of crude oil is going like everything. So what will be your strategy?
As I explained earlier, if the prices will increase, so we will want to pass on the benefit, because we design the prices on the basis of local raw material prices, that is Reliance prices. So if crude will go up, Reliance will increase their SDP prices and we will pass on the benefit to the customer. So in the same way that if the crude will go down, the SDP will go down and we will pass on the benefit to the customer month on the basis.
On valuation front, on annual equity, the price of value comes 3.04 and PE asking fee will be around 19 point something 80. Secondly, your EBITDA and the PAT margins are lower. Also, the ROCE and ROCE also lower compared to your peers like Can Techno, EPL, and the other organizations. So, how you justify your payment?
For time, they are in a lot of business. Mahesh, you
Sure, yeah. So just to give you a perspective on the company has been growing at 20-25% per year. I mean, for instance, in FY20 its top line was around 260 crores, and FY23 has closed at around 480 crores. EBITDA was around 18 crores. The EBITDA in FY23 is at 52 crores. And I'll just show you some of the figures. And these figures will show it to you. From around 260 crores, it has moved up to this. So the market perceives companies, growing companies, which are growing at 20-25%, differently from companies which are involved in some leverage operations, like price to book ratio and other parameters which you mentioned are applicable to companies which grow based on leverage, like banks, NBFCs and all that. So for a company like Pyramid, you have to look at what the growth is, how the company is growing, and what is the growth expectations in the future. For instance, the object of the issue is for repayment of term loans. So the company will practically be saving around 3 to 4 crores in interest payments by repaying its all